Today we'll be assembling the Scoot 2 scooter. The first step is to extend the handlebar tube. Undo the clamp and then pull on the skinnier end of the tube. You might have to push the red plastic cap with your index finger to get it to enter the larger tube. Pull out until you hear a click. Once the handle is extended fully, you can reattach the clamp to secure it in place. If the clamp feels loose, tighten down the bolt until you feel some resistance, and then try again. Next, we'll assemble the handlebars to the tube. Line up the hole on the base of the handlebars with the hole on the upper half of the handlebar tube. Next, take the small cover and line up that hole on the back of the handlebars. Once everything is lined up, you'll take the included bolt and place it through this hole. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to fully tighten this down. Take the handlebar assembly and slide it through the hole on the front of the main body. Then take the upper half of the steering bolster, noting the front direction, and slide it over the base of the handlebar tube. Assemble the front axle through the hole in the base of the handlebar tube. Note that there are two tabs on the front axle that need to be aligned with the slots on the handlebar tube. Take the lower half of the steering bolster and align it with all of the tabs on the upper half. Snap it into place, then use the 4 included screws to attach it securely. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to fully tighten down each screw. When assembling the wheels, make sure that the side with the recess faces outward so that the hubcaps can be securely attached. Place a wheel over each side of the front axle. Then turn the whole product on its side. Take one of the included hubcaps and place it over the exposed end of the axle. Hammer it down until it's fully seated. Repeat these same steps on the other side of the front axle. For the rear wheels, take the axle and place it through one of the wheels. Again, make sure that the recess side is facing the hubcap. Take that whole assembly and slide it through the back of the product. Take the final wheel and slide it onto the rear axle. Turn the product on its side, bracing the back of the rear axle against the table, and hammer on the final hubcap. To convert from scooter to ride-on mode, first, undo the clamp on the handlebars and push in on the spring pin. Lower the handlebars to their bottommost position. Next, push the gray button on the back of the product to release the deck. Pull the deck out, remove the included packaging material, rotate it 180 degrees, pop in the front of it to the head tube area, and then snap in the rear portion. You should hear a click. To convert back to scooter mode, we'll just repeat those steps. Push the gray button on the back of the product, flip the deck 180, seat it into the head tube area, and push down on the back until you hear a click. Undo the clamp on the handlebars, raise them up to the higher position, then reattach the clamp. And now you're ready to roll.